Ain't you heard 'em say, be grateful for this day? And don't you know that it's true? Someone's got it worse than you, so don't be a Grinch this year. Don't wreck my Christmas cheer. Don't be the one to mess up all the fun. Don't be a grouch this year. Frown on the couch this year. 'Cause we'd all like to have a Merry Christmas. Well, remember last year when you drank all that beer and you badmouthed all of your in-laws? How your nephews and nieces really went to pieces when you said there ain't no Santa Claus. I know that things happen rough, not the way you want, it's true. Lighten up, my friend, 'cause in the end someone's got it worse than you. So don't be a Grinch this year. Don't spoil our Christmas cheer. Don't be the guy to make those kiddies cry. So don't be a drag this year. Half in the bag on beer. 'Cause we want you to have a Merry Christmas. Sister, you've been mad at your mister, and we all know that it's gotta go. He forgot to buy you presents, and you kind of resents it all alone under the mistletoe. Be aware that life ain't fair, and all your dreams, they might not come true. Don't stay miffed, babe, grab a gift. This one's just for you. Don't be Miss Grinch this year. Don't crash the Christmas cheer. Hey, don't